Hey everyone! Today, we're comparing N8N and Node-RED, two automation tools that help streamline workflows and connect apps without writing a ton of code. After using both, we wanted to share what makes them different and which might be better for you. N8N has a more modern, user-friendly interface. It feels polished and is easier for beginners to pick up. The drag-and-drop workflow builder makes it simple to connect apps like Google Sheets, Slack, and even custom APIs. What stood out to us is that N8N supports complex workflows without making things overly complicated. It's cloud-ready, has lots of integration, and its open-source nature means you can customize it deeply if needed. Node-RED, on the other hand, has been around longer and is widely used in hardware integrations and more technical environments. It shines if you're into connecting sensors, devices, or running automation on your local network. It's not as sleek visually, but it's extremely stable and powerful once you get the hang of it. So, which is the ultimate tool? If you want a modern, versatile solution that works out of the box with tons of apps, N8N is fantastic. If you're building more technical workflows and want something lightweight and proven, Node-RED is hard to beat. In our experience, we actually use both depending on the project. But for most people, N8N will be easier to get started with. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam-free.